Hey, Nix.
Oh,
Hey.
Gyros! Is that buckets?
It's Buckets again.
Buckets, my man.
What's going on, buckets? It's not buckets.
Hey, guys. I'm back with the sixth one.
Six. More than that.
Six. Yeah, I know. Don't tell anybody on the internet.
Only the best for buckets.
Look at
Only
that
the best for
Steven,
buckets.
man. Thanks, guys. These guys are the best. Holy fucking yeah, buddy. I am full. Yeah. Well, that Maple Festival, I'll tell you what, that show is something else. Yeah. Huh. Good stuff, that's for sure. Well, anyway, today we're going to get back into that little engine. Let's see if we can get that thing going. I don't know. Well, let's get into this. Let's see if we can get that thing running. So what we'll do, I found myself another head, jug, piston, a lot better shape, and got this stuff here all ready to go. We're going to put this on this engine to see if it's going to run. Man, what a mess. Oh, by the way, guys, I took Camera Girl out to breakfast, to a brunch the other morning. Oh yeah, check this out. So, I just got my omelet done. It was a gyro omelet. It's really good. But see this cut one? What this was? It's like this. But what this is for, is for us spec guys. Put it right up to you. Then you eat. Wasn't that funny? Stick it right there. Well, Buckets is on a diet again. All right, well, oh yeah, another thing. Whoa, they got cold all of a sudden, and I'm wearing a Nirvana shirt. Nirvana's okay. Where's Alice Chain? It doesn't matter. Hey, by the way, Mike from Indiana sent me this cool tool. It's an adapter. Yeah, you take this adapter, and it's for when you start engines. Yes, because my fans care about me. They're worried about me breaking my hand. Well, I'll show you how this works. You flip the little switch here, you go that way. Now I want to start it. This is a case of backfires or whatever. It's not going to kill me, break my wrist off, twist it off or anything. So just put this on and you put it in your engine. You can start your engine thing. Nice little handy dandy thing that Mike sent me. Thanks, Mike, again. All right, let's get back into this motor. Let's see if we get this thing running, all right? I think we can. All right, guys, so if you want to get, take out the piston, there's going to be a little tiny, there's a little groove right here. See if Camera Girl can zoom on it. Right there. Little tiny ring right there. You can push in, and it'll fling right out. And it probably hits you in the stomach where the plate's supposed to go. But there it is. And then you can stay there, Camera Girl. I'm just coming to this side so I can push this out. And this should slide out. Kind of like that. I'm using an 8mm socket to go in through that hole to finish pushing this out. Just like show. Look at the difference. This is all broke off. I mean, those pieces might be in the block. Who knows? This one looks much better. Now, if you ever do one of these, see where it says in? That is top. And then the smaller frown is the exhaust port. Carefully put this on over here. Oh, yeah, that's where it goes on. Now, this ain't a Suzuki or anything, so it does not have a bearing. So I'm going to have to put the clip on this side. I took the clip off on the other side. So get that all the way through. Now, can I reach over there and get it? Where'd it do? Here, way over there. Come on. Oh. Now, the clip is always kind of fun to put on. Yeah. Get it without flinging it off somewhere into the distance, into the wild blue of the garage. like that. Okay. Make sure your rings are staggered. You know, the groove in on one side, they groove on this side, opposite of each other. It's always just a good rule of thumb. And that's that. The gasket's good, except for the O-ring's not in there. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put this together. We're going to put it in fast motion because I'm sure you don't want to watch this being put together really slow. Now, if you did want to watch this be put together in regular motion, let me know. But I'm just going to do fast motion so you're not getting bored. Alrighty, so let's do this in fast motion. Maybe you can slow it down. Get it, boy! Wow! Yeah, buddy, he was going. All right, guys, so everything's together. We got gas to it. I had the gas on. Hopefully we're not going to blow up here. I do need my little jump box here. So we can juice this thing up. Yeah. We're going to try it again. Got to find a good ground. Hook up the positive here. Make sure don't short nothing. All right. Choke. Contact. Yeah. Ooh, it's wide. They got that throttle in there wide open. But it's running, guys. Did you hear that? Let's try this again. Other than all of it's out of adjustment here. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's way out of adjustment. Let's see, 1.5 turns. So you go 1.5 on that. Let's try it again. Oop, too far. Good enough. Doesn't even smoke. Wow. Of course, you know I can't drive it because there's no wheel on it, but she lives again! Alive! After all that crap I went through. That cover being busted like that and all that. Rocks in the motor, dirt. Of course, it's going to have to get flushed out. Probably take that cover back off, and I'll probably take this engine off and flush it all out. Make sure that aluminum pieces ain't in there. But this would be a good engine to put on the shelf and have ready for either one of these dirt bikes, or I can even put it on a Trail 70 if you don't have an engine for it, just for a pit bike. They'll fit C70s. They'll fit anything like the 70 series, you know, C70, XL70, SL70. But you know what I'm talking about. I love it. It just gives me such a good feeling to get that thing running. After seeing what was all in that engine. Of course, yeah, okay, the jug, the piston, and the valves ain't the same, but still, either way, it's alive again. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm rambling on. Guys, if you like this video, please like and please subscribe. And tell me what you think. You know, send some comments. Tell me what you think about that. Anyway, you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And thank you for coming to Bucket's Garage. All you guys are important to me. Every one of you. This is so much fun. Glad you could join me. We'll see you again next weekend. God bless and take care.